The natural world possesses a wisdom that transcends our own. In the synchronized dance of predator and prey, the relentless unfurling of a fern, or the ebb and flow of ocean tides, we witness an intricate order God created and deeply depend upon. This interconnectedness reminds us there are forces larger than ourselves, systems both delicate and enduring. Nature doesn't rush, yet accomplishes everything. It teaches us patience, resilience, and the profound truth that our human existence is but a thread in the vast, ever-evolving tapestry of life.